Welcome to Adi's Adventures.
Hi, my name is Annie. What?
Nothing, Adi. Adi, today we're gonna do one small, fun science activity. Do you know what we are doing?
Full water.
It's not falling water, it's a raising water.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah. Do you see the water gonna raise, Adi?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm sure.
You sure? Yes. Today we're gonna see how the water gonna raise by itself. This is a very small experiment, and for this we need one plate, coin, matches, glass, and colored water. So for this, first we have to take matches. Bend exactly at the center and put it at the center of the plate.
Yeah.
And use the coin to make sure that it stands properly in the middle of the plate.
Yeah.
And
Pour some water.
pour some colored water, Adi.
Yeah.
And here we have to make sure that the tip of the match should stay
on the top.
above the water level. And then find matches. It's very hard to me, Adi, to do this. Yeah. And immediately put the glass in inverted position and see, instantly the water will raise up.
It's coming. Yes, it's coming.
It's coming up. Do you know why the water raises, Adi?
Yeah.
It's due to the matches. Inside the matches, it creates a vacuum inside the glass, and it makes the tip of the glass seal very tightly, and because of that vacuum the water will raise instantaneously.
Yeah. I know the smoke is going up.
Yeah.
And I think that's the magnet. The smoke is magnet for the glass.
Smoke is a magnet for the glass.
Yeah.
So that smoke is nothing but it's a vacuum, Adi. It creates a vacuum inside the glass.
Yeah. I think that smoke is a vacuum.
That the smoke, that the vacuum makes the water to pull up.
Oh, the
inside
smoke.
The water. Yeah, that's a vacuum, Bangaru. Vacuum makes the water to go up. It's a fun, right?
Yeah.
Now, you know how the water will raise, right? Yeah. This is a very small and fun activity. The kids gonna love to see this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video.
Oh, I forgot.
What do you forgot, Adi?
That.
Oh, Adi wants to show. He wants to give us some sound.
With that, we will rock you.
Oh, we will rock you.
Yeah. And open that.
Yeah, Adi wants me to open this. Adi, it's sealed tightly because of the vacuum. I'm trying to pull it out. It's fun, right?
Yeah.
See, that vacuum is inside. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.
Bye.